Okay, now we have an onboarding process to identify the right people. The process also helps us to find the right coach for you. See, the reality is many people just want to come in and just want to be heard. That's a great thing, and that is very powerful. That's why we mentioned that in the earlier steps. But because of the limited resources that we have, we cannot sit down to listen to everyone. Therefore, we only work with people who are ready to take action, who have done their homework, who have completed the onboarding process, who have filled the questionnaire to understand their situation and have started to think about the action steps. So we have our own specific way for doing that. From time to time, we do take people who have not done the onboarding steps, but that has to be a very special situation. All right, great. So now you would have received a document along with the link to this video, or you might find the link of the document on the web page where you are watching this video. What you need to do is follow the steps. There's a form that you fill to capture your current situation and to put down your ideas and thoughts. I highly recommend not to rush that form, and I also recommend not to fill the form in your home. Try to do it in a place which is outside your normal schedule, a place where you feel more empowered, more inspired, and you're in your peak emotional and spiritual state. Try going to a park, by the lake, a coffee shop, a library, a masjid. Go for a workout, go for a walk, and then fill the form. Try to be in your peak state to the best of your ability, because this will get you the momentum, the energy to think about solutions, to think about strategies that you have not thought about before. It would also help you to capture the reality of the situation without making it much bigger than what it is.